no need standing up for the right. Unless you got to stand up against the wrong. Tell me how you gonna have a stop of being weak. Unless you made your mind up to be strong. Well, you gotta do right. Cause it won't be long. It won't be long. Well, let me tell you that easy to hate your enemies, as easy just as easy to love your friend. Tell me who will have the love line. The Bible tells you have the love of God's coming. Well, you gotta do right, cause it won't be long. It won't be long. Don't you wanna love him better? Don't you wanna love him more? Can you hear the Savior's knocking? He's a knocking at your door. Don't you wanna make it to make your maker before you gotta deal with the undertaker? He will make you right now. If you are feeling, don't you know the Bible is fulfilling? Well, you gotta do right. It won't be long. It won't be long. You gotta do right. Cause it won't be long. It won't be long. You gotta do right, oh holy life. 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 You gotta do right, right. Don't you wanna love him better? Don't you wanna love him more? Can you hear the Savior's knocking? He's a knocking at your door. Don't you wanna make haste to make your maker before you got to deal with the undertaker? He will take you right now. If you are feeling, don't you know the Bible is fulfilling? Well, you gotta do right. It won't be long. Gotta do right. Yeah. Cause it won't be long. It won't be long. Live a life. You gotta do right. Oh, holy life. You gotta do right. Oh, holy life. You gotta do right, oh holy life. You gotta do right, oh holy life.